We are going to have mock parliament session to teach you about the proceedings and procedures of the parliament. Generally, we do not read much about parliament in newspaper until there is a clash between ruling party and opposition party, or there is a budget issue. But in fact, the parliament is the temple of democracy, is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of the government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens based on the proposal suggested by M.N. Roy. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a major role in making our constitution. At present, there are 448 articles, 25 parts, 12 schedules. When the constitution was formed in 1949, there were 395 articles, 22 parts, 8 schedules. The Constitution of India that came into effect on 26 January 1950 provides the bicameral parliament. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. It is made up of all representatives together, controls and guides the government. It consisting of the President and two of the houses known as Council of States, Rajya Sabha, and House of People or the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house, the Lok Sabha, the lower house. So, before proceeding further, I want to ask you a question. What is the maximum capacity of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? Anyone? Exactly. The Rajya Sabha consists of maximum of 250 members, including 12 members nominated by the President. The Lok Sabha consists representatives directly elected by the people and the maximum number of seats are 550. Following the first general elections after independence in 1952, the Lok Sabha made for the first time on 13th May 1952. Now, I would like to call upon Khaja Faizan to brief you about the working of the Parliament.
Good afternoon everyone. Now I will be telling you about the Parliament. The Houses of the Parliament, that is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, their functions and a little something about the presiding officers in the Parliament. So the main function of both the houses is to make laws. Every bill has to be passed by the House and signed by the President before it becomes a law. The subjects over which the Parliament can legislate or make laws are defence, foreign affairs, banking, currency, coinage, customs, income tax, etc. Speaking of the two houses, Lok Sabha holds supremacy over the Rajya Sabha in terms of financial matters. On the other hand, the Rajya Sabha has a very special role to play in enabling the Parliament to legislate on state subjects if it is necessary in the national interest. Now, let us talk about the presiding officers in the Parliament and the roles that they play. Each house of the Parliament has its own sets of officers. In the Lok Sabha, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker are elected among the members, while in the Rajya Sabha, the Vice President of India is actually the ex-official chairman. Each house consists of two leaders, one from the opposition party and another from the ruling. The President of India is the head of the state of the Republic of India. The President is the nominal head of the executive, the first citizen of country as well as the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces. The first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The current President of India is Dr. Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is not only the President but she also served a teacher. Now she is serving as 15th and current President of India since 2022. She is the first President belonging to the tribal community and also the second woman after Pratibha Bhati to hold the office. She is also the youngest person to occupy the post and first President to born in an independent India. The Prime Minister of India is the head of the Government of Republic of India. Executive authority is vested in Prime Minister and is chosen Council of Ministers despite the President of India being the nominal head of the executive. The first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. The current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
Now, I tell you about the layout of the Parliament. Here sits the Speaker. In front of Speaker sits the Lok Sabha Secretariat. Their work is to record the proceedings of the Parliament. To the right of the Speaker sits the ruling party. To the left of the Speaker sits the opposition party. Now, I tell you the role of marshals. The marshals have a very important role to play in the Parliament. They escort the Speaker, also act like a computer that has access and knowledge of all the information about the issues that takes place in the Parliament.
Is a part to dignity of the House. The first Speaker of the Parliament is G.V. Movalanka. Now, the current Speaker of Parliament is Om Birla. Now that we have given our audience a good dose of information about the Parliament and its constitution, let's move on to the next level of today's activity, that is the mock session of the Parliament. So here we go. Thank you.
In this session, we are going to have a debate regarding passing of the bill on reorganization of Article 370. Thank you.